Paq'tnkek Mi'kmaw Nation wants to generate revenue and create jobs, and those jobs already started at the construction site for a new travel center. Kelsey Paul is an apprentice carpenter.
I was working with the community, but then I jumped on here because for the community we don't get much commercial work, and so this was great for my training, and it'll help when I get my red seal.
Indigenous Services Canada provided $2.9 million for highway infrastructure development and $1 million of the construction of the Bayside Travel Centre. Seamus announced the money in Paq'tnkek.
A prosperous Canada needs a prosperous Indigenous economy, and that can only happen if it's Indigenous built and Indigenous driven.
The centre will include a gas station, convenience store, restaurants, an entertainment centre, and a lounge for long-haul truckers.
They're seeing improvements in fire halls and roads, but really, particularly in healthcare, education, and housing. And with that, it's starting to whet the appetite for what's next. And what's next is economic development, because that's economic self-sufficiency.
Chief Paul Prosper says the project is a result of hard work and collaboration.
A lot of people have, this vision of Paq'tnkek being a vibrant, prosperous, and thriving community, and it's within their hearts, it's within their minds, and this is the reality of that vision they had.
The federal government is also investing $430,000 for the construction of a new well that will be the main water supply. The community has one well that has sediment leakage.
So this will provide an alternate source of water for our community, so it gives us that flexibility. If we're having issues with one, we can sort of rely on the other well for our community, so happy about that.
The well is expected to be operational in a few months, with the travel centre opening by October. Angel Moore, APTN National News, Paq'tnkek Mi'kmaw Nation.